how to cut olives. Here's a little trick. If you're not too worried about making it look extra pretty, this is a handy dandy way of cutting olives. These happen to be green olives with pimentos inside. It doesn't matter what olives you use as long as they don't have pits in them. Then they would be hard to cut. So, nice big cutting board, lots of space, nice sharp knife, and my olives. I'm just going to lay my knife on top of the olives and just press just a little bit. Just a little bit, have a little bit of give to them. Just a little bit. I'm not smashing them. I'm just kind of pressing them a little bit so they get a flat surface on the other side. And then I just kind of slice through them. Hold your knife correctly, of course. 3 fingers wrapped around the handle and your forefinger and thumb right behind the blade. And that will give you a fast slice of olives. If you want to mince them, just go back over them again. Turn your knife in the opposite direction and just rock your knife on top of them. As you keep going, you will get them into smaller pieces, and that will give you minced olives. Now, if you're really picky about how they look as in uniform sizes and you want to do it for something pretty, you would have to do them individually. Let me show you that. I would just hold my olive in my claw and just rock and slice through that olive. And that way you'll get those perfect little rings. You can see that. Takes much longer. It's much more precise. If you're looking for precision and if you want to make it look pretty. But if you just don't care what it looks like, you just want to get it in your food, just lightly press, just to, it has a little bit of give to it. You can feel it. Just a little bit. Don't smash it. Just a little bit to make it flat on this side a little bit. And then you would just, you know, rock through it. But a lot of them. Anyway, that is how you cut olives. Gently press, just a little press, whether you're cutting one or a bunch, to give you a nice flat surface on the other side, and slice away. If you want to mince them, of course, go back over with your knife and go until you like the end results. And that is how you cut an olive. Remember, the only thing more dangerous than a sharp knife is a dull knife.